Alright, welcome to another unboxing. This is another camera, 4K camera. Bought this one from Amazon. It's normally 110, 120, somewhere around there. Got a 50% off deal. Ended up being a little over 60, between 60 $65. So we're gonna open it up, see if it's worthwhile, worth anything. I definitely know it's not gonna be better than my ZV-2 that I'm using right now, but you know, for a price, let's see if you can beat it. This is a good deal for people that want to start off vlogging. I originally bought this for my kids, so when they're doing their little videos, they want to get into, of course, they want to do what mom and dad are doing, so we didn't want them using certain equipment. We didn't want the damage dropped or misplaced. So we bought this one so they can play around with it, and if they drop it, it's definitely a lot cheaper. $60. $60 ain't cheap, but it's definitely a lot cheaper than dropping my $800 camera or my $1,000 T8i or my $400 Hero 9 and such, even though those are meant to handle a heavy load. But of course those are a little bit more complicated for smaller fingers. So here we go, from Amazon. I will leave the link below in case you guys want to order it and whatnot, but stay till to the end to get my verdict whether it's worth it or not. So open it up. It has a basic box. Just says 4K Ultra HD Camcorder. Not a real name brand type box, but you know, it's what's inside that counts, I guess. I mean, here's the user's manual. It comes with that. Comes with a camera. Comes with a little remote control, which is a nice little touch because ZV-1 I had to order a separate one, but right now I'm using my gimbal that my wife ordered. I got the Crane M3. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check that out. My wife got it for me for Valentine's Day. It gives you a, I want to say, HDMI cable. It gives you a micro USB cable, probably for charging. Brings a little shotgun microphone. Make sure you guys can see that. Brings a little shotgun microphone with its own battery, so definitely a good deal. And it brings a handheld bracket. I'll show you a little picture of what that looks like. First and foremost, let's get the handle out. It's right here. You will be able to use this with other things. I have something similar to that right over here that I barely, some right here. Cheaper of the bunch for as far as stabilization. I barely use this one. Maybe I'll do a comparison on these. Of course, they're not going to be as stable as the gimbal, but it's alright. For starters, this is pretty good for somebody starting out. So that's definitely a nice little touch. So I'll put that there. All it is a twist one, and it does have a fitting right there to where you can put it on a stand and whatnot. Now let's move on. Here is a shotgun microphone. Shotgun microphone. It's a nice little touch. If you guys want, I will do a comparison. It's up to you. Let me know in the comments below. It has an off, a 0 decibels, and a 20 plus 20. So definitely a nice touch for all this for 60 bucks. Not a bad deal, but of course. Let's see what the footage is. HDMI, chargeable. Alright, here's the main event. It's the camera. I did have one of these Amazon type DV cam that I started out with, and it wasn't that good. I recorded a video and half of the video was frozen, so it was pretty waste. I ended up getting rid of it, so here's the camera itself. It says digital video camera. It does not have any name brands at all on it. Nice little lens cover right there. It does have a code shoe. Right there is a code shoe for, of course, you're going to be using that for the shotgun microphone. And of course, right there is a standard for this right here. Alright. And there's a side. It says 4K. Also says Wi-Fi, which is a nice little touch. It says 3840 by 2160p high definition. And it has high sound quality, 18 times digital zoom, high battery capacity, megapixels is 48 megapixels, and the Wi-Fi. So 48 megapixels with still image recording. It's pretty high for a standard. I think my ZV is 20 megapixel, and my T8i is a little bit more than that, if not the same. So you can take a picture of it. It has towards and away, and it has a standard power button. It has the mode, up, down, Wi-Fi, and menu. So there it goes right there. So maybe I'll, of course, the battery compartment. Put the batteries. It looks like it only uses one of the battery. So surprisingly, they included 2 batteries. So it gives you not only the original that will be in there, but a backup. The way it looks, there's no way to charge it without being installed in a camera without a micro USB cable. So it's not like you can have one going while you're charging the other one, unless you order a battery charger separate. And on the back it has the mic input, HD input, and USB input. And I'll try to open that. There we go. It has a small HDMI HD slot, which it goes from, I want to say it goes from the little to the big, directly to your TV. So you got a micro HDMI to a full size HDMI. You have the charging port and where your microphone is going to go in. So I'll show you guys once. I'll put everything on there and then show you guys, and then insert a clip and tell you if the quality is good or not. So here we go. Alright, we got the camera put together now. As you can see, it has the hood right there. It has the shotgun microphone. That's battery powered. Remember to turn it on. And it has light to show you guys on. You have the microphone plugged in, which the little flap kind of dangles there. I'm sure if you always use a shotgun microphone, there's always that chance of that breaking. All in all, as far as the whole complete look, it looks pretty good. Oh, it makes some sounds going in. It kind of slammed it. Alright. Unsupported file system. Do you want to format? Let's format that. It would be nice. I'm not sure if it's a touchscreen. Yep. It does have a touchscreen. Formatted successfully. And there you go. Show you guys what that quality looks like. All in all, it looks pretty good. Pretty impressive. I will put it on here to finish the setup up. And there's the complete setup right there. There's the opposite side. And it has a flip screen, which is definitely good for vlogging and self-recording yourself. So there it goes. Alright, all in all, it looks pretty good for the price that I paid. What I paid, $120. We have to see the video for that. So right now I'm going to switch over to this and finish the video with this, and you guys tell me if you can see the quality change or whatnot. So let's switch over. Alright, I wanted to show you guys the stock footage, and a little footage that I recorded did not want to show up. By the time I came upstairs to download it, it disappeared. And then the next time I recorded one, it did show that one. Wanted to download it. It paused while downloading, and then the second time it crashed. So, there you have it. Quality was not as par as this is, so definitely price difference between the two does count. Get what you pay for. I would have really been mad if I paid the $120 for it, $110 for it. Paid $6. Not as mad, but I am still sending this back. As you can see, bam, it's already back in the box, ready to be shipped off. As soon as I get done with this, I'm gonna print the label, send it back, get my money back. $60, $60. So Amazon can deal with this. Conclusion: I wouldn't buy another Amazon. This is the second Amazon camera that I have ordered that has been 1080p, 4K, such and such. This came with a bunch of accessories, too good to be true, and in this case it definitely was. So hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. 100% my opinion, honest. So you guys judge for yourself. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. We got giveaways coming soon. We got a larger giveaway coming for 500 subscribers, so help us reach that goal. Definitely help us out, and appreciate it. Till next time, have a good one.